Hey guys, so let's go ahead with the next simulation or the next tutorial. So let's go to guides, tutorials. We are done with launching objects, so we'll be starting with predicted paths. So let's open this. Predicted paths. Whether you are creating a custom solar system or planning planetary destruction, it can be helpful to know how objects you add to the simulation will move. Universe Sandbox can predict the path an object will take once it's added to the simulation to help you make stable systems or cause cosmic chaos. Okay, stable systems sounds more desirable, but let's also cause cosmic chaos. Next, let's turn on these predicted paths. Select view, select predicted paths. Okay. Currently Earth is rotating alone in this simulation, so we shouldn't see anything yet. Let's launch Moon at Earth and see what happens. Okay. Next, select tools, add, select the moon. Okay, it's already selected for us. Let's launch and let's launch it somewhere in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, it's dark in Pacific Ocean, won't really help us. Let's launch it in this part of the Atlantic Ocean. Right, so let's zoom in a little bit and launch. We just destroyed the Earth. Now there is a line showing the moon is on collision course with Earth. Okay, I think we launched the moon really close to the Earth, so we didn't really see the line, but we did see the yellow line and the red line before, like when we were aiming and before exactly launching. The line turns yellow or red when it predicts a collision will occur there. A red line means one of the objects will destroy the other, which indeed happened. We can see the line turns yellow and then red where moon will impact the Earth and get destroyed or be destroyed. I think we saw the red line for a very small amount of time and it did actually destroy the Earth. So let's go next. Ouch, that's not so good for the Earth. Oh well, let's try again and see if we can make it up to Earth. Okay, let's go next. Turn on the predicted paths again. Okay, view, predict, then now pause the simulation. Okay, let's pause. Since we destroyed the moon by launching it at Earth, how about this time we give Earth a few moons to keep it company? Okay, select tools, add random moon. The predicted paths will help us see how the moons will orbit when we add them. If any of the paths turn yellow or red, we will know the moons might collide. Okay, so if we add too close to the Earth, you can see it will kind of follow a spiral, as you can see here, right? If we go too close, it will just hit, which is turning red. So let's maybe give Earth the moon called Agarmi. I don't know how it's pronounced, maybe Agarmi. Let's lock onto that pronunciation for this tutorial. Let's click add. So we have paused the simulation, so it is not really moving, right? So we are going to add one more moon to the Earth, but as you can see, we have a lot of chaos which is going on here. So if I just drop this new moon at this place, it might collide with some of the paths that are already going to be taken by either Earth or the earlier moon that we added. So let's add it a little further away. It is not really helping in any way that we are trying to avoid a collision here, but I don't think it is possible. So let's try to keep the second moon here. Let's try to keep the third moon here. Okay, at this point I think we absolutely have to just agree that there will be a lot of collisions. So let's add one more here, and let's add one more here, and let's add one very far. Let's add it here. So see, here you can see all the paths that the Universe Sandbox has predicted. So for this moon I am not really sure why everything is red, but we'll figure that out. So the predicted paths will continue to update as the moon's orbit, showing if any of them will eventually collide as the attractive forces between them change over time. Press play to see whether or not our moons will collide. So let's press play, and you can see the paths being updated. Earth is still safe. Predicted paths are a powerful tool whether you are creating your own systems or trying to possibly destroy as many planets as possible. Try creating your own planet with multiple stable moons or adding a few more to Earth here. What's the worst that could happen? Okay, let's wait for some time, or let's maybe increase the speed of the simulation. So till now we haven't seen any moon collide, the inner moons collide at least. Maybe let's increase the speed a little more. Whatever be the case, but just watching, oh my god, something happened. And I didn't do anything actually. What just happened? Something really bad happened. And now I don't know where Earth is. Earth is just disappeared from the simulation for some reason. Okay, this is a very crazy thing. I didn't expect this to happen. Or did we just delete Earth by mistake? I am not really sure. Okay, fine, no problem. Let's finish this tutorial, and maybe we can come back later to see what exactly happened.